So today one and only premium sarees. So premium sarees you will be getting less than cost price. इसका जो cost price होगा ना market में, I mean not the retail price. So wholesale price से भी I am giving for a no very good offer price today. Okay, so I have come up with totally 36 साड़ी है ना आज. हाँ. Yes, totally 36 sarees है आज. Lottery sale number 2 day 2 आज. And one and only premium sarees I have got for today's show. Budget नहीं है. The saree what I am draping is a budget semi rolla saree. Price 899 है ना. 899. Okay, so let me start with the first saree what I am draping today. So this is budget friendly semi rolla what I am draping. Yes, that's the beautiful wine shade. Multicolor digital prints में जा रहा है. The nice matte zari borders. So दोनों side you will get this beautiful matte zari का border. So short and long border concept में जा रहा है. And that's the beautiful pallu. The same saree what I'm draping today. Okay, so I'm starting with the budget saree. Like 8 colors available in this. After that we will move on to the lottery sale. And that's the matching blouse piece for the saree. ये साड़ी का matching blouse piece will be like this. And the price will be 899 free shipping. That's number 2. ये आपको ब्राउन एंड देन शैम्पेन कलर का मिक्स में जा रहा है. समथिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कलर. एकदम नॉट अ सिंगल टोन फ्लॉट टोन में नहीं है. समथिंग लाइक अ डुअल टोन में है विद द बिग फ्लोरल्स. सो दिस आर डिजिटल प्रिंट्स एंड द मटेरियल इज सेमी डोला and nice polishing has been done on the saree. Second polishing has been done and that's the beautiful tassel and इसका blouse piece. So when you compare the fabric, market में जो semi rolla मिलता है, when you compare the fabric of Nidarshana sarees, आपको मतलब 600 से मिल रहा है डोला. So when you buy the 600 rupees का डोला and this डोला, आप compare करेंगे तो definitely you can see lot of shine in my fabric में बहुत बढ़िया shine आ जाएगा आपको. So when you compare the fabric and the tasseling also we are giving in this budget डोला. Budget डोला में market में nobody is giving the tassels and we Nidarshana में particularly the semi डोला you will get the tassels. So that's the speciality, that's the special thing, additional thing we are giving in Nidarshana sarees. So that's number 2, 899 free shipping. Number 3, saree number 3, it's a beautiful shade of peacock green and then teal green with a beautiful colorful digital prints here, and that's the beautiful pallu. So matching blouse piece for the saree. 899 free shipping is the price. So you can book with any of the links. And that's number 4. ये थोड़ा honey color blended with the mustard color. Beautiful shade. Okay. And that's the beautiful pallu with the tassels. And इसका matching blouse piece will be like this. Double shade में जा रहा है. Like 2 shades है इसमें. One is dark mustard color and then और एक color है honey color है इसमें. Okay, 899 free shipping is the price. Number 5. Okay, brick color it is. So brick color and then brown color का mix में जा रहा है with a nice big florals, short and long border, and इसका pallu will be like this. That's the beautiful pallu with the tassels, and इसका matching blouse piece. Number 6, beautiful shade of blue. So teal blue and then turquoise color है ये. Okay, and that's the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. 899 free shipping is the price. Number 7. So this is also beautiful blue with the navy blue color का combo में जा रहा है. 899 free shipping is the price. Okay, it's a beautiful dola, lightweight, easy to carry. It's a new pattern. आप सबको पता है. So whenever the new products comes, before releasing in the market, निदर्शना में release हो जाता है. So you guys will be very first. ये जो new collection जो आता है, you will be the number 1% draping new collection. ये किसी के पास नहीं है. So this prints. So निदर्शना में पहला आ गया है. साड़ी number 8. It's a light grey and dark grey color का mix. And that's the beautiful pallu. Matching blouse piece for the saree. 899 free shipping is the price. And now we are moving to the lottery sale. In lottery sale, I have come up with all premium sarees. Khadi Georgette, you'll be getting along with the silk mark. Those kind of khadis I have got. So these all handloom khadis. And chinia, pure chinias I have got for today's show. And few are semi silks I have got. And few dolas. And और भी थोड़ा मतलब 13 में लेके आई हूँ. It's a mixed collection. And you will not get in this price. Like 50% discount में कुछ दे रही हूँ. So few fabrics I'm giving for like 50% discount. Few sarees. and few sarees you will be getting like minimum 10 से 40% discount you will be getting. Yes, let me start with the first saree. This is your beautiful chinia. So that's a chinia silk saree what I'm showcasing. You will be getting in some good discounts. So I have kept one saree. Since it's an anniversary sale, मैं किसी को disappoint नहीं करना है. So I have kept one pieces in all the items. So these all hot cake selling in Nidarshana. Nidarshana में इसका बढ़िया response है. फिर भी I have taken one saree to give you in a offer price. मैं सभी साड़ी तो ऑफर में नहीं दे सकती हूँ. So I have picked each category में I have picked one saree. I cannot give you like category मतलब catalog wise तो नहीं दे सकती हूँ. I cannot give you in catalog wise. So one saree I am releasing in a very good offer price. And that's the pallu, beautiful pallu. And a matching blouse piece for the saree. ये आपको शाइन समझ में आ रहा है ना? This is pure chinia what I'm showcasing. We'll be getting in something like 50% discount में कुछ मिल रहा है आपको. And MRP will be 10,170 is the MRP. 6,899 free shipping. 6,899 free shipping. It's a lottery price. Don't miss it. ये जो pure chinia है, we have compromised all the things. Number 2, saree number 2 इसका. Yes, this is pure handloom silk. You will be getting along with the silk mark tag ये वाला साड़ी. So one pieces I am releasing. Bulk में नहीं release कर रही हूँ. And this is pure handloom tissue blended with organza. Okay, tissue blended organza ये pure में जा रहा है. So these are handlooms what I am showcasing. And इसका जो price है 15,500. You will be getting along with the silk mark tag 13,250. इसका जो प्राइस है 13,250. I'll show you the texture of the saree. The texture will be like this. It's a soft organza blended with a pure tissue. No budget saree, Maria ma'am. I have already showcased the budget saree. In the beginning of the show, I have already showcased. Okay. So that's number 2. L2. Saree number is L2. 13,250 is the price. इसका pallu. It's beautiful pallu. So these are pure sarees what I'm showcasing. And इसका blouse piece will be like this. This is the blouse piece for the saree. A light turquoise blue में you'll be getting this gold color का एक stripe and then matte zari का borders. Yes, this is 10,799 pure chinia what I'm showcasing. The color is beautiful onion color with a nice digital prints and then body buttas. So big buttas will come. So that's the back. Okay, and this is the pallu. Beautiful jacquard antique zari में pallu. So complete saree carries this antique zari. Antique zari में आ जाएगा onion color. It's a pure chinia what I'm showcasing. Jacquard pattern में blouse piece. It's in a antique zari. Copper zari नहीं है, antique zari में जा रहा है. The clearance price will be 6,950. 10,799 का the clearance price will be 6,950. So this is number 4 pure chanderi. And the color is peach and then dark purple color. Dark purple and then violet color का एक border है. So antique zari. Okay, 6,999 is the MRP and the clearance price will be 4,599 free shipping. 4,599 free shipping. So this is again थोड़ा चिनिया का fabric का blend है इसमें and you will feel like a chanderi. Soft है ये drape करने में. Body hugging saree, easy to carry, lightweight. That's the pallu. Matching blouse piece for the saree. So jacquard pattern में blouse piece will get for the saree. Okay, so this is the blouse piece 4,599 free shipping and इसका number होगा L4. The saree number is L4. Saree number 5. It's a semi Kanjipuram silk and ये आपको पता है we have done live very long time like 6 months के पहले इसका live हुआ था. It's a semi silk what I'm showcasing and इसका buttas will be in gold color. So that's your gold color का एक border है. So बड़ा border and the number is L5 and that's the beautiful jacquard में pallu and then matching blouse piece for the saree. Plain में matching blouse piece. Okay, that's how the saree will be and the clearance price will be 2,299 free shipping. Okay, ये heavy bridal saree है 2,299 free shipping. So market का value price will be above 3,000 इसका. We have already given this saree in factory sale. So factory sale का price we have done like sometime around 1 year back किए थे ये ऐसा type का साड़ी and now we are giving for 2,299 clearance price. साड़ी number 6 ये भी आपको semi कांजीपुरम में जा रहा है. Number is 6. We will be getting this buttas like this. So complete साड़ी आपको रेखा साड़ी कैसा होगा. So रेखा जी पहने थे. सो वैसा ही होगा ये साड़ी. द फुल जरी हैज बीन व्यूड ऑन द साड़ी एंड यहाँ पे आपको थ्रेड का वीविंग, थ्रेड एंड देन जरी का वीविंग, एंड दैट्स द बैक. इट्स अ डीप मेरून कलर एंड इसका जो एमआरपी था 2599 फ्री शिपिंग. L6 इज द साड़ी नंबर, डीप मेरून कलर इट इज. एंड इसका पल्लू ब्यूटिफुल मीना में एक पल्लू, सो व्हाइट कलर थ्रेड्स हैज बीन यूज्ड. And the embossed blouse piece, thread emboss में the body will come and that's the zari border on your sleeves. And one more thing, ये जो आप टक करते हैं ना साड़ी को, so the tucking part will be like this. The beginning tucking part ये जो टक करते हैं ना, the part will be like this. Not only for the sari, semi silk में, so whatever the sari, कौन सा भी एक साड़ी आप देखेंगे तो सब साड़ी में ऐसा ही होगा. Okay, in all the semi silk saree the tucking portion will be like this. उसके बाद ही वो ब्लाउज आएगा. Number is L6 and the price is 1899 free shipping. Saree number is L8. Beautiful blue. ये आपको ink blue में जा रहा है. Okay, and then matte finish pencil kind of weaving, and that's the pallu. एकदम flashy नहीं है जरी. It's a very matte zari has been used. And इसका blouse piece. The self color blouse piece will come for the saree. And the clearance price will be 1699 free shipping. L9, saree number L9. It is easy to drape, semi silk again. Okay, these are very beautiful colors. So rare colors. So कभी भी आपको always this repeated colors मिलता है market में. So these are very rare colors. ये आपको deep जामुन double shade. So light and dark deep जामुन color with a grey color border. The border is grey color with the copper zari. So that's a semi silk what I am showcasing. Okay, so बीच में body में you will be getting this beautiful buttas, and that's the back. The woven buttas you will get on the sarees. Yes, it's a very different color, and the color combination जामुन के साथ grey color. Usually pink color, red color ऐसा ही आ जाता है borders. This is very subtle border, and that's the pallu. So jacquard में beautiful pallu in a copper zari, and onion color में blouse piece. Okay, beautiful onion color blouse piece will come for the saree, and the clearance price will be 1899 free shipping. And इसका जो price है 2299 free shipping. I'm giving for 1899 free shipping. Beautiful saree, easy to carry ये वाला saree. L10 again one more कांजीवरम silk. L10 bridal है ये. So these are semis में bridal. And the color is peach color, peach blended with the pink, something like a dual tone with a copper zari का border. And that's a beautiful pallu in a royal blue color. Copper sulphate blue color में एक pallu, and then copper sulphate blue color का blouse piece. Okay, so that's the blouse piece. And इसका जो MRP है 3499 free shipping. So this is bridal L10 semi silk में, semi कांजीवरम silk में, and the clearance price L10 699 free shipping, 2699 free shipping. L11 again one more bridal. ये थोड़ा heavy साड़ी है. The saree texture is little heavy since complete weaving has been done on the entire saree. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं there is no gaps. So completely woven saree it is. So this is back. Okay, that's how the saree looks, and the color is something like ये भी deep जामुन में जा रहा है ना, एकदम deep जामुन है. Jet yes, jet जामुन color है ये. No gaps, so completely a woven saree. I mean the जामुन कलर में छोटा सा salvage है इसका, जरी बॉर्डर नहीं है, complete saree will be same. And इसका self कलर में एक पल्लू with a silver zari and then copper zari का पल्लू में जा रहा है, and this is the blouse piece. Deep जामुन कलर का plain blouse piece. You can do a ari work for this blouse. Yes, one more color I'll showcase. After that I'll go for the price. And ये जो है maroon shade, this is deep maroon. The previous one is deep jamun color, and this is deep maroon shade. One of the heavy bridal collection it is. इसका पल्लू and then plain maroon shade का blouse piece will come. It's a dual shade. Maroon में ये थोड़ा dual shade है. That's how the blouse piece will be. And the clearance price 2299, 2299 free shipping. Just imagine you are getting something bridal में something you are getting for 2299. And the number is L12.